Welcome to Nourish Delight. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ever wondered how to make a quick and delicious breakfast? Perhaps a Korean egg drop sandwich in just 5 minutes. This culinary delight is a perfect blend of fluffy eggs, crispy bread, and savory toppings, all wrapped up in an easy-to-make package. The ingredients are simple: eggs, bread, and your choice of cheese, bacon, or ham. Add a dash of salt, pepper, and milk to the eggs for extra flavor. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide on how to whip up this quick and tasty meal. First things first, prepare the egg mixture. You'll need 2 large eggs, a dash of salt and pepper to taste, and a tablespoon of milk. Don't forget to add those freshly chopped green onions for a touch of color and flavor. Now it's time to whisk these ingredients together. Take a bowl and crack those eggs in. Sprinkle in your salt and pepper, pour in that tablespoon of milk. This isn't just for taste, it also helps to make your eggs fluffier. Now toss in your chopped green onions, then with a whisk or a fork, beat the mixture until it's well combined. You're looking for a smooth consistency with no lumps. The milk will lighten the color of your eggs, but don't worry, that's exactly what you want. This is the foundation of your Korean egg drop sandwich. With your egg mixture ready, it's time to move on to the next step. Now let's cook up those eggs. Grab your non-stick pan and place it over a medium heat. You'll want to get it nice and hot but not smoking. Once the pan is heated, add a small dollop of butter or a drizzle of oil. This not only prevents the eggs from sticking but also adds a little extra flavor. Now carefully pour the egg mixture into the pan. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of deliciousness in the making. Let the eggs cook undisturbed for a moment, then gently stir them around the pan. The key to perfect scrambled eggs is to keep them moving, so they cook evenly. Watch as the liquid egg transforms into soft, fluffy curds. Remember, you don't want to overcook them. Eggs continue to cook even off the heat, so pull them off just before they're fully set. Perfect. With your eggs cooked, it's time to assemble the sandwich. It's assembly time! Let's get down to business. Start by toasting 2 slices of bread. You can use a toaster oven, or even a regular oven. The key is to get them golden brown and a little crispy. Once your toast is ready, it's time to bring in your star performer, the fluffy, perfectly cooked egg mixture. Lay it out evenly on 1 slice of the toast. Now this is where you can start to make this sandwich your own. Do you fancy a slice of cheese? Go ahead and lay it on top of the eggs, or perhaps you'd like some ham or bacon. No problem, just add it on top of the cheese. Remember, this is your sandwich, your masterpiece. Once you've added your choice of extras, it's time to close up shop. Place the second slice of toast on top, pressing down gently. You want to make sure everything sticks together in perfect harmony. Now, for the final touch, the cut. Take a sharp knife and slice the sandwich in half diagonally. This isn't just for looks. It actually makes the sandwich easier to handle and eat. And there you have it, folks. A beautiful, delicious, and totally customizable Korean egg drop sandwich made by you, for you. Voila! Your Korean egg drop sandwich is ready to be enjoyed. And there you have it. A scrumptious Korean egg drop sandwich ready in just 5 minutes. We've journeyed through whisking together eggs, salt, pepper, milk, and a sprinkle of green onions. We've felt the sizzle of our egg mixture on a heated pan, and the satisfying crunch of golden toasted bread. We've mastered the art of layering cooked eggs onto our bread, optionally adding cheese and ham or bacon for an extra burst of flavor. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not drizzle your sandwich with ketchup or hot sauce? Remember, this is your canvas, your culinary masterpiece. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients and sauces that tickle your taste buds. This is the beauty of cooking. It's a personal journey, a creative exploration of flavors. So go ahead, don't be shy. Give this recipe a try and make it your own. Enjoy your quick and delicious Korean egg drop sandwich. Stay tuned for more easy and tasty recipes.